Good morning, everybody. We're on the freeway in my El Camino after that EFI swap, and it's running amazing, running great. I'm having a little issue with the cold start, but I think I'm close to figuring that out. But all in all, acceleration, cruise, everything, drivability is great. Really, really great. So glad I did it. Today, we're gonna head out to a swap meet in my neighborhood, actually, out here in Chatsworth. It rained a little bit last night, so if you've ever been in the valley after it rains, it is beautiful, nice and crisp, nice and cold. So it should be a good time. Never been here, but you know me, love swap meets. We're on our way over there right now to check it out, see what's out there. Hopefully it's a good swap meet. Even if it's not, it's something to do, right? I wonder where these guys are going. Go. I hope this comes out because there's a lot of wind and my mic doesn't have the sock on. There's a tank. There's some Model 8 parts. There's a Model 8. Some fenders.
If they want to take stuff out, take the all the light
fixtures. Where do these go to?
Whatever. Here it is. Whatever's there.
Old school tombstone welder.
19 months of.
They're called tombstones because it looks like a tombstone.
Turned a wrench on any of my chassis in 19 months.
That's a nice steering wheel.
And you have to stop the wind, too.
Yeah, I know it. Every time I look this way.
That's an old speaker, top load only. What is this?
Oh, yeah, the rubber grip. Yeah. It's a good drill, but I'm just...
Cruise control.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. But yeah, you're in a shop or the garage.
That's an old cruise control setup for a Taurus. I wonder if you can adapt it to anything. You probably could. Most of those systems just need a VSS signal and a couple of inputs, and it would work. I don't know what that is. There's an old lift. Some really old parts here. I'm sure this is all Model A. Ball bearing equipped. Is that a compressor? Oh, that's an old compressor. Some old tools, old press, radiator. Some shiny bits. There's a little key set for something old. Body panel for something. So there are good parts here, as you can see. There's some really old stuff. See, that says Model A seat pan for $30. Now I don't know what it actually goes for. $30 doesn't sound like a bad price. That looks like a quality piece right there. If your Model A is missing a seat pan. There's some GM tail lights. This is a trunk pan for a Model A. Those do not know what they are, but this is all Model A stuff right here. This air is freezing, man. Let's see what these got. Just a nice little chrome air cleaner. Oh my goodness. This shit about a bigger sweater, man. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Old school little leather bag. That's nice. There's a lot of old school parts.
Don't be shy.
Oh, look at that. Compression tester. What's this? Remote starter. With a bunch of old, like, OEM stuff. What's this? Ooh, man. It is cold out here. Tail lights. That's kind of cool.
Hey, you're getting exercise.
Yeah, these are cool. Those little gauge pods with the little brushed aluminum. Oh, look, they got individual ones too. That's really nice. Motorcraft fuel line. Some header bolts. Spark plug boots. Oh, this guy's gonna have a rough time. All this stuff's gonna fly in this wind. Oh, check that out. Look at that. Snap on. Pretty cool. Stickers and patches right there. Some mirrors on this table. Nothing really I'm looking for. Check that out, man. Check out this mirror. Look how stylish it is. It's got that like really, what is it? Whatever that is, but that looks amazing. Oh, check it out, man. The Batmobile's here. We'll go check that out later. That's pretty cool. Good morning.
Model A?
No,
No?
I wish.
All Model A stuff.
Really nice truck, though. Okay, then. What we got here?
It's stolen from you. You should have given me that express because I'm over.
That's a cool tank.
Don't let him go.
10 gallon, 275.
Just have them on display. They're sold. Take the prices off.
Some old Mustang stuff.
I'm taking the prices off. No, leave them alone. I'm still gonna buy them. I'm still buying them. Leave everything there. I'm gonna take them, put them in my car. Leave them alone.
Sockets right there. So as you can see from Model A's, this is the place to be. Not the only place, but there's definitely a lot of stuff here.
Might be. One might be a break. Okay.
Mercury, Ford. See, the good thing about all these older parts is a lot of the stuff you could rebuild. I mean, I don't know how the availability of parts is a question now, because I mean, a lot of this stuff is almost 70 years old, 80 years old.
I never tried to plug in on my truck.
So you could rebuild them back in the day when there was parts available to rebuild them.
Yeah, there you go. $10 is worth it.
But I know it's getting harder and harder to find replacement seals and all that for a lot of this stuff.
Yeah, I'm sure her house, they're going to build 2 houses.
Or 3. It's on 3 lots.
Yeah.
Here's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to clean it out. And I'm just starting, and I'm going to try to rent it. And it garage.
That's just like a Vega steering box, or
It is, yeah, it's Flaming River. Got the top of Vega.
this is pretty much universal. Like it'll fit on anything, or is this specific to like a Model A or something?
No, it's fit on most anything.
Most anything else.
Yeah,
How much you want for it?
I need 100.5 on that.
100.
I've got one on the 29 Model A, and I got one on the race car. 32.
Okay.
Yeah, steer's nice.
Are those just stock mufflers, or are those glass packs?
Those are Smithy's. Yeah, they're glass packs.
They are?
Yeah.
Smithies. Oh wow. Pretty cool.
Didn't want to throw them away.
Yeah. Somebody can use them.
Somebody use them. Yeah.
What's going on over here? Oil pans. Glass packs. What are you asking on these?
I think I marked one of the boxes.
Oh, 50 for the pair?
Yeah, 50 for the pair, brand new.
They're just glass packs, regular glass packs?
Brand new box. Can't beat that. They're like $150 each.
Yeah. What are these? This is a
This is 700R4. It's 2-speed, fast and faster. And that block's got all kinds of cool stuff done to it, but it's sat for a long time. It's got to be honed and everything.
Oh, okay.
But it's brand new.
That's rebuilt already, ready to go? No.
This they're both used.
Oh, okay.
This one was in my Nova. I got a souped up Nova. But I came across a bitch. I put it together. I had it all built.
Yeah.
And then I put a bigger transmission, a 350, and then I came across this one, and then here we are. Never got to it.
More Model A stuff. What the heck? Still got the Dodge Brothers logo on there. This old radiator housing. Shocks. Morning.
Morning.
Those are some cool little badges. Some little hot rod stories, I guess.
Probably like this, but it doesn't have the cap.
Right.
It's got a broken rotor. I think
Look at this little nitrous bottle. Some old vintage vices.
Oh, God.
Good morning.
How you doing today?
Freezing.
Yeah, it is kind of chilly, isn't it?
some more Model A parts. Model A window frames. There's some springs. Little air cleaner. Check it out. Copper spark plug gaskets. I got a whole bag of these. Check that out. I think these are like distributor caps. That is nice latches. Sure, for Model A. Oh, look, 36 Ford Roadster. So they're labeled, but they are 31. The tunnel ramp, bro. Looks like a Chevy.
What kind of car you have?
I got too many cars. That's the problem. I'm just looking.
All right. Yeah,
What are those for?
Those are for Chrysler, Dodge, DeSotos, 46, 7, and 8.
Yeah, I was just looking how, you know, they're just like so ornate.
They are ornate.
You know, all these, just everything about them is cool. Is that for the same Dodge?
No, that's a 52 DeSoto.
Yeah, see, beautiful stuff. But no, I got Mustangs and
Oh, you got the
like later
newer
stuff.
stuff.
Yeah,
I got you. There you are, Mustang.
yeah, I got a bunch of those too.
$10 for all three.
Oh, is that for that Chrysler?
Yeah, there's a grill and trunk, fenders, radio.
There's the grill.
Home chic.
New York. Chrysler New York. Turn signal switches, random parts in here. Probably for that Chrysler. Oh man, look at the 57s rolling in. Chevy right there, 57 Nomad. Cool little hot rod. Oh, look at that. 67 Craftsman. These are some really nice Model A Fords. This is what you would be looking for, or this is what you'd be buying in 1932 at the Ford dealer, or 31, or 30. Yeah, 31, 30, I don't know what year that is. But look how nice they are. Paint jobs are nice. A couple of convertibles. I think these are convertibles. And then this would be like a four-door sedan. But these are really nice. These are just, I mean, they're factory. They look factory. But this is what you would be buying in the 30s at a Ford dealer. Beautiful Model A's. Here's a two-door. I guess it'd be a sedan, right? Because it's got a back seat. Those other ones don't have a back seat. They have a rumple seat. This looks like an older restoration. But it's really cool, really nice cars. Oh, look at that. Shelby GT 350. One of my most favorite cars. Fastback 65, 66. Love these cars. There's another Bronco. This one's a little more stock than that other one. Definitely more stock. It's running at 302 though. Nice little Bronco. Another SS Camaro. 396. I've always liked these little vents on the hood that the SS's have. Makes them look tough. It's a cool little Chevy business coupe. Oh man, look at this Pontiac. GTO with an LS? I think it's an LS. What engine is that?
It's a LT1.
LT1, okay. It's got the water pump all the way on this side, huh?
Yeah.
Wow.
If I find coffee, yeah.
That is a really nice Pontiac. Look at that interior.
Oh, did you bring the rag or? Everything is down behind the toilet. Everything's there. He's looking down the wheel well.
But everybody's interested in the Batmobile. Yep, it's a Fairlane. Probably a 61, maybe? I mean, it's not exactly like the original, but it is a Batmobile. It's actually really cool. They copied it. What chassis did you use to build this?
It's a 59 Ford Galaxy.
59 Galaxy. Is that the same they used on the show?
No, the show was it was based on a car that was never in production. It was a Lincoln, a 55 that was like one of those show cars. They built just one of them.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, and they took that and made the Batmobile. So yeah, I think dimensions are a little different on this, but it's pretty close.
It's very close. Unless you put them side by side, you really can't tell.
Yeah, that's my hope.
Does the ejector seat work?
Nope.
Nope.
Yeah, there's a few things that doesn't work. The jet engine doesn't work either.
Oh, we can't tell. We can't reveal that to the public.
I know.
What's Batman gonna do?
It does make jet engines sound, but that's it. Because that's where you put the gas in. So it's like, I'm not gonna mess with that.
Yeah. It's really nice though. It's really cool.
Well, thank you.
What in the world is this? Don't know what kind of car this is, but it is very customized. Chopped, sectioned. Is it a Chevy? Might be a Chevy, I don't know. This is really nice. 65, 66 Mustang. Beautiful car. Look at this thing. Easy. Interior. Really nice car. More.
Hey, Mark.
Nice little Thunderbird. Oh man, look at this Bronco. Wow. This thing is beautiful. Check it out. Looks like it's been fully restored. Oh look, it's got a 5.0 in it. It's got that Coyote in it. Barely fits in there. My goodness. Hey, it's got AC too. Whoever did this did a great job. Look how nice this Bronco is. Los Angeles, California, ASC 4x4. Oh, whoever put this motor in did a great job. Look at that. Very detailed. Interior is beautiful. This Bronco is really, really nice. Probably running like a overdrive trans in it too. It's probably really nice to drive. cool little Model T. Oh, the almighty SS Camaro.
Well, not just that, but somebody else's. You know, if the thing takes off.
Little Volkswagen bus right here. Oh, check it out. 64 Fairlane. Really nice car. And the Tri-5s have made it out. Look at all these. 57 Chevy.
You want some help putting that open?
57 Nomad. 56 car. Another 57. Man, they got a lot of Tri-5s out here. This one's for sale. $65,000. That is a really nice car. 65 grand. But look at it, it's pretty much turnkey. Sure has everything under the hood. Trans are in. Paint job's great. There's another 57. Really nice little Model A Ford. Oh, look, it's pretty cool. I like seeing these Model A's with the fenders. Usually they cut the fenders off and chop them all up. This would be, I mean, the body at least. This is how they would be originally. Everything else has been modified. You can see that. I think that's a Jaguar rear end. Awesome Camaro right here.
Dogs were okay this morning.
Got a big block in it. 396. Yo, 56 Ford truck.
351 Cleveland.
Oh, Cleveland, huh?
Ford with the Ford.
Man, that sucker's tight right there with the steering box, huh? With the steering
That was the
linkage.
trick.
Yeah. Man, this truck is beautiful. Check it out. Shoebox that hasn't been chopped, hasn't been lowered, pretty much original. I heard this thing driving in. I think it still has a flathead in it, or it sounded like a flathead. It might, because it still has that 3 on the tree. The 3 on the tree. Really nice car. Shower. That is a beautiful 61 Chevy Impala. Look at that thing. Just rolled in. That is the prettiest looking car ever made. I know I say that a lot, but that is awesome. That's a bad looking 32 Roadster.
Right there.
That is a nice one of those. Wonder what year it is. It's gotta be 30s or 40s. Convertible Packard, the rumple seat. People actually sit back there on the road. Isn't that crazy? Imagine going down the highway at 35 miles an hour, because that's probably as fast as this thing went back in the days. Well, that's it, guys. Looks like that's it for me today. Swap Meet didn't have anything I really needed, but I mean, if you're a Model A guy or an early Ford guy, early Chevy guy, looks like they had plenty of parts for you. Swap Meet is kind of small, but what do you expect, right? They only do this once a year.
Make sure you've got your number.
This awesome sedan sitting out here in the parking lot. Man, I love these with fenders. I think they look, it's like a regular car. When they take the fenders off, they look more like a race car, which I guess is the point, right? But look at this thing. Beautiful. And you can fit a couple of your kids in the back. That's it, guys. That's the whole Swap Meet and the car show. It's a small event. And like anything, I'm always here looking for stuff, looking for parts. And I try to go to as many as possible, try to support them. Because if you can see, there's a lot of gray hair out here. So the young kids don't pick up this hobby, it's gonna die out. Even if they're just buying 4-cylinder heads for their Honda Civic Si or all-wheel drive trannies for their Evos or whatever. But this hot rod stuff, it's you know, it's on its heels. There's not that many people into it anymore, as you can tell by how bad the Swap Meets have been, and some of these car shows. They have good turnouts because they're ancient. These cars are very classic. Check out this 87 Dually C30. That is bad. The El Camino. She is running great. Been driving it after I did the EFI swap. Having little issues with the cold start, but I think I got it fixed. As a matter of fact, we will try it right now. Let's see how it starts. Cold start issues have been an issue. Let's see how it goes. So the problem I've been having is that it will start. Okay, that time it caught itself. Let's see if it doesn't die. Dang it. It worked earlier. So that's the problem I'm having. It's the only problem I'm having with this. But anywho, guys, thanks for joining me. As you can see, it was a small show, small little Swap Meet, but I'm trying to support all of them because, like I was saying, you know, this hobby needs to stay alive. But anywho, thank you for joining me. Please like and subscribe if you're liking the content. I'll catch you guys on the next one.